What's up guys, today we'll be comparing a $10 rocket
Nice.
to a $1 million rocket and build a boat for treasure. Starting off with the $10 rocket.
Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning. In fact, it was a little bit frightening.
That wasn't bad at all, but now we're moving on to the $200 rocket.
Open Gangnam Style.
Ayıkma sözlü bilbeymin ardında dur bir deymin atta mingen döndönüp Gangnam Style'dı bileymin Muna mentik, muna mentik Muna mentik, muna mentik Muna mentik, muna mentik
That was insanely fast, but now we're moving on to the $500 rocket. I don't think that was worth $500, but now we're moving on to the $1,000 rocket. That was the coolest looking one out of all, but now we are moving on to the $10,000 rocket. That rocket had stages, which is pretty cool. Now we're moving on to the $100,000 rocket. That wasn't a good landing, but now we are moving on to the $500,000 rocket. That rocket had boosters that separated, which is pretty cool. But now we're moving on to the $1 million rocket.